Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove and add background to your video in CapCut. So first, just add the video that you want to remove its background. Click on the video, find the remove background menu at the bottom. This one, remove PG. You can use the custom removal or to make it quick, you can just use the auto removal. And CapCut will remove the background of your video. Just wait until the process is done. Click on the check icon. You can see the progress in here. When it turns to green, it means that the background is fully removed from the video. Okay, so now the background is removed, and to change the background you can just go back here and then find the background options at the menu. Here you can choose between the color, image, blur, or the brand backgrounds if you have any. So let's say I'm going to just use image as the background, and here you can upload the image on your own, or you can use one from CapCut. So I'm going to swipe to find the right background. For example, I'm going to use this background right here. Click on the background. Now the background is a change. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.